Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will cover the part 3 of our chapter number 3, uses of plants. In this video we will do the book exercises and the copy work of the chapter. In the previous videos we have covered about how we can use different parts of plants as well as different types of plants. Now students, let us start the book exercises. Turn to page number 18 and you will find the section of Now You Know. Make sure that when you are filling out these exercises that your pencil is sharp. Let us start. Fill in the blanks. We eat the dash of radish. We eat the root of radish. The spelling of root is R-O-O-T. We eat the dash of potato. We eat the stem of potato. The spelling of stem is S-T-E-M, stem. We get dash from sunflower seeds. We get oil from sunflower seeds. O-I-L, oil. Now turn to page number 20. You will see another such section of Now You Know. These are fill in the blanks too. We will fill in the blanks using the correct word. We use clove as a dash in our food. We use clove as a spice in our food. S-P-I-C-E. We get chocolate from dash seeds. Cacao. We get chocolate from cacao seeds. The spelling is C-A-C-A-O. Cacao. We get dash from flowers like rose and jasmine. We get perfumes from flowers like rose and jasmine. Perfumes की क्या spelling है? P-E-R-F-U-M-E-S. Perfumes. Now open page number 22 of your book. You can see that there are exercises given. We will start with exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. In this exercise, in your books there are blank spaces and then there's a sentence. So you need to fill in the blanks and there are two options given. So you need to choose the correct option out of these two. Number 1, dash help to make our food tasty. Cereals, spices. The correct answer is spices. So you can put a tick on spices and also write it in the given space. Dash, number 2, dash is used to treat cough and cold. Rose or basil. Students, do one thing. Over here it's written mint. So cross out mint like I have over here and write basil instead of it. So the correct answer obviously is basil. So basil is used to treat cough and cold. Number 3, henna is used as a dash, dye or food. It's dye. The correct answer is dye. Henna is used as a dye. Number 4, we get rubber from the dash of rubber tree, leaves or juice. The answer is juice. We get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. Number 5, plants give us clean dash to breathe, air, water. So the answer is air. Plants give us clean air to breathe. Jasmine, number 6 is jasmine plants are used for making dash, furniture, perfume. The correct answer is perfume. Jasmine plants are used for making perfume. Tick perfume and you can also fill it out. You can also pause the video and complete this exercise. Moving on, exercise B. Match the following. Over here, there's a list of plants and on the towards the right we can see the part we eat. So we need to match the plant to the part of that plant that we eat. So over here in the plant section we have number 1 beet, number 2 sugarcane, number 3 coriander, number 4 apple, 5 cauliflower and number 6 groundnut. And over here we have A flower, B fruit, C seeds, D leaves, E stem, F root. So let's start matching. The first one is beet. What part do we eat of a beet? A root. So we match beet to F root. Number 2 is sugarcane. What part of the sugarcane do we eat? That's correct. Stem. So we match sugarcane to E, stem. The third one is coriander. What part of coriander do we eat? Leaves. So we match coriander to D, leaves. Apple. What part of apple do we eat? We eat the fruit. So we match apple to B, fruit. Number 5, cauliflower. What part of cauliflower do we eat? The flower. So we match cauliflower to A, flower. Groundnut. We eat its seeds. So we match groundnut to seeds. Now students, while matching, please make sure that you are using your pencil and scale to make proper lines. Now students, let's move on to exercise C, question and answers. This we will do in our copy. So close your books now and open your copy. Make sure that you make the index page like we have done for chapters 1 and 2. Make your index page and then open a new page next to the title page. I hope you all have made the title page for this chapter. Now we will do the question and answers. For the question and answers, students, make sure that you use a blue pencil for questions and a sharp pencil for answers. So question number 1 is, which part of the carrot plant do we eat? Carrot plant जो होता है उसका हम कौन सा पार्ट खाते हैं? We eat the root of a carrot plant. So जो हम carrot खाते हैं, that is basically the root of the carrot plant. So we eat the root of a carrot plant. Question number 2 is, from which part of plants do we get oil? हमें oil जो मिलता है वो plants के कौन से part से मिलता है? We get oil from seeds. जो seeds होते हैं plants के, उससे हमें oil मिलता है. Question number 3, from which plant do we get chocolate? हमें chocolate कौन से plant से मिलती है? This we have also done in one of the fill in the blanks above earlier. So the answer is, we get chocolate from cacao seeds. Cacao seeds जो होते हैं उनसे हमें chocolate मिलती है. Students, if at any time you feel like you are not able to keep up with the speed, please pause the video and then do your copy work correctly. Now moving on, question number 4. Question number 4 is, how is the neem plant important to us? We all must have seen neem plant around the city. How is it important? Neem plant helps in killing germs. It is antibacterial and it helps us in killing germs. So the answer is, neem plant helps in killing germs. Question number 5. Name 2 flowers from which perfumes are made. कोई से ऐसे 2 फ्लावर्स बताने हैं जिससे परफ्यूम बनता है. ये हमने इससे पहले भी अपनी बुक एक्सरसाइज में अभी करा है. So the answer is, perfumes are made from 1 rose and 2 jasmine. रोज एंड जैस्मिन के जो फ्लावर्स होते हैं उनसे परफ्यूम्स बनते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. नेम 1 प्लांट फ्रॉम विच वी मेक पेपर. कोई ऐसा प्लांट बताएं जिससे वी कैन मेक पेपर. सो द आंसर इज, वी मेक पेपर फ्रॉम बैम्बू प्लांट. बैम्बू प्लांट जो होता है उसको यूज़ करके हम पेपर प्रोड्यूस करते हैं एंड the paper is something that we write on. Question number 7 and the last question is, name any 3 uses of coconut plant. Coconut plant जो होता है उसके we need to list down 3 uses. बहुत सारे uses होते हैं but we need only 3 of them. So we eat its fruit and oil and brooms are also made from it. So हम इसका fruit खाते हैं, the coconut fruit that we eat, and also there's coconut oil and brooms जो हमारी झाड़ू होती है घर की, वो भी coconut plant से ही बनते हैं. So here are the 3 uses. Students, this is all for this video. Today we covered the book exercises and the copy work of chapter 3. This also sums up our chapter number 3. In the next video we will inshallah start with the next chapter. For your homework today, make sure that you learn all the book exercises and the copy work that we have done today of chapter number 3. Thank you.